Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, the 15th of December, 2025. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. The S&P 500 declined 1.07%, while in New York the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.51%, and the Nasdaq Composite ended lower by 1.69%, as investors booked profits after recent highs amid mixed macro data and cautious guidance from select technology majors. Asian stock markets are opening on a mixed to positive note, supported by easing US bond yields and stable crude prices. The Hang Seng and Kospi are trading higher in early hours, while Japan's Nikkei is marginally lower as the yen strengthens against the dollar. Gift Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. were trading around 26,060, indicating a mildly positive opening for the Indian markets today, supported by improved global risk appetite and strong domestic institutional participation. Oil prices edged higher in early Asian trading on Monday after sharp weekly losses, as concerns over a global supply glut and weak demand outlook continued to dominate market sentiment, tempering support from geopolitical tensions. Silver prices near all-time high at 78,000 rupees per kilogram, up 10% in 1 month. Silver prices hit 23-month high above $26 an ounce. Silver prices take support from record gold. One-third silver supply consumed by solar industry. Wipro and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories will be in focus today, with Wipro strengthening its AI-led digital transformation capabilities through expanded strategic partnerships with Google Cloud and Microsoft, while Dr. Reddy's remains in the spotlight after the US FDA conducted a GMP and pre-approval inspection at its Srikakulam formulations facility and issued a Form 483 with 5 observations. Given the expected positive opening for the Nifty today, immediate supports are seen around 25,700, followed by 25,550. On the upside, resistance is placed at 25,900, followed by 26,150 should momentum sustain through the session. Volatility in global commodities following firm crude prices and mixed base metal trends, along with cautious global risk sentiment ahead of key macro data, may keep foreign investor flows selective in the near term. However, continued domestic institutional buying, supportive global cues post the recent Fed rate decision, and positive corporate developments could help stabilize sentiment and drive selective stock-specific opportunities. Friday, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of approximately 1,114.22 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers of around 3,868.94 crore rupees, continuing to provide a cushion to the broader market. That's your market snapshot for India on December 12th, 2025. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.